Assalamualaikum everyone. So now is the second tutorial of me continuing how to get the clip arts, free downloadable clip arts, and how to edit them into your worksheets. So now as you can see, there's the mycutegraphics.com is actually the colored version of clip arts that you can get for free. So any clip art that you want to use, you can use here. And there's also hassle-free black and white clip arts you can get by typing free black and white kits clip arts. It's actually easier for you to download that's already black and white into your worksheet than editing them. But if you really wanted the cuter version of the clip art, you can also go and choose one of these. For example, I have chosen them in my PowerPoint. So this is the version. So I can choose another one. For example, I'm choosing this this one, girl sitting on a book clip art. So let's click and save. Copy image and put it in PowerPoint. Okay, so how do you edit them into black and white? You just double click it and it will come out the picture format. So you just go to color and you choose recolor and you click black and white. So you have it in black and white. So you can use it in your publisher worksheets or your PowerPoint worksheets. Anywhere that you like to do it is easier. And you can, at the end results, you can have also like this or this, or just simply using your avatar, which is